The HushMat 1200 Door Sound Kit is designed to significantly reduce vibration and unwanted noise in your vehicle, making for a quieter and smoother ride. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free thanks to its self-adhesive nature, which eliminates the need for additional tools or surface preparation. This versatile kit can be applied to various parts of your vehicle, such as firewalls, doors, and trunk areas, enhancing its soundproofing effectiveness. The product's unique visco-elastic polymer and aluminum foil layers provide excellent vibration damping across a wide temperature range, from -30 degrees to over 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Manufactured in the United States of America, the HushMat 10-200 is the only sound-deadening material approved by original equipment manufacturers for the automotive aftermarket. The kit includes 10 sheets of stealth black foil, offering a total coverage of 10 square feet, ensuring comprehensive sound insulation for your vehicle.